Then after that, it's given here substantial improvements in the productivity of Indian agriculture, especially through the expansion of irrigation, improved means of communication, more vigorous relief and prevention measures by the state have all helped in the reduction of famine. Nevertheless, starvation, death are still reported from some backward regions of the country, and the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, it is the state latest initiative taken by the government to tackle the problem of hunger and starvation. So in this, we can say that there are factors responsible for reduction of famine. Now, what are the factors which are responsible for the reduction of famine? One of the factor is improvement in agriculture. ठीक है, it's improvement in agriculture. Then second, improvement in means of transport and communication. And this improvement in agriculture is mainly because of the introduction of irrigation facilities. Then third, it is more vigorous relief and preventive measures. So we can say here, rigorous state relief measures. Rigorous state relief measures. ठीक है? And please remember Manrega. This is very, very important. This part, Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Act. ठीक है? So you can say that latest initiative by government to tackle the problem of hunger and starvation in rural area. It's what? It's Manrega. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega. ठीक है? Now here, the next step, we can say that unlike death rate, the birth rate did not register a sharp fall. Why? Because birth rate is a socio-cultural phenomena that is slow to change. By and large, increased level of prosperity exert a slow downward pull on the birth rate. Once infant mortality rate declines, there is an overall increase in the level of education, awareness, family size begins to fall. There are very wide variations in fertility rate across the state of India, as can be seen. Some states, remember it, underline this, some states like Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal have managed to bring down that total fertility rate TFR to 1.6 each by 2016. This means that the average woman in these states produce only 1.7 children, which is below the replacement level, and Kerala, the TFR is also below the replacement level, which means that the population is going to decline in future. But कुछ ऐसे states हैं जैसे आप बोल सकते हो बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, प्लीज टेक आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर पेज 15, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, उत्तर प्रदेश, where there is a high TRF in the sense total fertility rate is very high. In 2016, these states have the fertility rate 3.3, 2.8, 2.7 and 3.1. So accordingly to the sample registration system statistical report, India's crude birth rate was 19.7 and the rural birth rate was 21.1 and the urban birth rate was 16.1. and as per बिहार में सबसे ज्यादा तुम्हारा बर्थ रेट है, बिहार और उत्तर प्रदेश में, ठीक है। और उत्तर प्रदेश बोला जाता है अलोन is expected to account a little less than 1/4, that is 22% of this increase. देखो ये पूरा आपको एक तरीके से हम बोल सकते हैं, let me tell you one very important thing. This is the part that is with regard to the slow decline in death rate, slow decline in birth rate. ठीक है, and in your NCERT book, it has been said that the birth rate, it has not declined rapidly as that of the death rate because of the socio-cultural factors. And these socio-cultural factors, they are like high prosperity, reduced infant mortality rate, increased education, ये सब मतलब slow decline in birth rate, इसमें we can say reason is socio-cultural factors. Socio-cultural factors like number one, socio-cultural factor में सबसे number one क्या है? That is increased level of prosperity. Number two, decreased infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate decline कर गया. And the third reason is nothing else but increased level of education. Increased level of education. ठीक है, and family planning. increased level of education and family planning. Okay, now there is a data here. Now here you can say that if you look at this India's map, then if you talk about the fertility rate across states, if you look at the fertility rate across states, then states with below replacement level, states with below replacement level, that is total fertility rate is low. टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट का मतलब TFR जो है that is low. Here you can say the states with below fertility, below replacement level, इसमें first is Andhra Pradesh. This is the first state, Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेट आंध्र प्रदेश इसका. देन यू हैव हिमाचल प्रदेश, सेकेंड स्टेट. आफ्टर हिमाचल प्रदेश you can say it's Punjab. Here it's Punjab. Then it's Tamil Nadu. Third, it's Tamil Nadu. Then you can also say Kerala. ठीक है, and you can also say Maharashtra. So these are the states where the fertility rate is below, and even West Bengal. ठीक है, 4 हो गया, 5, 6, 7, and even नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स में त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम, मणिपुर एंड नागालैंड. ठीक है, यहां पे वी कैन से TFR, it is less than 17. ठीक है, TSR it is less than 1.7. तो आंध्र प्रदेश, सेकेंड इज हिमाचल प्रदेश, थर्ड इज पंजाब, फोर्थ इज तमिलनाडु. ठीक है, फोर्थ तमिलनाडु, फिफ्थ इज वेस्ट बंगाल. ठीक है, एंड सिक्स्थ यू कैन से केरला. All these states total fertility rate is equal to 1.7. That is below the replacement level. ठीक है, that is what is given here. कि आंध्र प्रदेश, देखो वही सब पूरा लिख दिया मैंने. And what do you mean by this? That means the average woman in these states, they produce 1.7 children, which is below the replacement level. And Kerala also, it's below the replacement level, which means the population is going to decline in future. Matlab, in these states, the women give birth to 1.7 children, which is below the replacement level. So, in these states, in future, population will decline. कि फ्यूचर में इन स्टेट्स में पॉपुलेशन डिक्लाइन है. Yes, you have to learn this particular data or you have to know the states. Remember it. ठीक है, आपको स्टेट्स का नाम याद रखना है बिनमूर प्रीत. ठीक है, प्लीज रिमेंबर इट. यू हैव टू नो द नेम ऑफ द स्टेट्स. ठीक है, गॉट इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट ठीक है. And this is also a pie chart. I'll tell you about this also. These two figures are very important. Okay. Then there are states. There are states with high. ठीक है, states with high TFR. That is above the replacement level. States with high TFR, that is above the replacement level. अब इसमें आप देखो, one of the state is Uttar Pradesh, very high. Then Bihar, very high. Then it's Madhya Pradesh. This is also very high. तो basically ये तीन ही है. That is Bihar. Sorry. First it's Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh का it's 3.1. Then Bihar it's 3.3 and even Rajasthan be near about more than 22 hai. So you can say that even Rajasthan comes under this. Rajasthan and Assam, they also come under this. Even Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, ये सब मीडियम में आते हैं. ठीक है, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ सब भी. Got it?